How'd you get sweet potatoes on your forehead? How'd you do that? Tell me. You know, this will be much less messy if you keep your fingers out of your mouth.
I'm not driving this though, my girlfriend is driving it. I'm working on getting my hardship license right now, so I wanted to have a car. So when I get my hardship license, my girlfriend's the one who's driving my car around. What's your girlfriend's name?
Okay, so we got sweet potatoes on her hands, on her mouth, up her nose, on her eye, on her forehead, and in her hair. Why'd you make such a mess? You don't know?
Depression is a serious medical condition.
Why'd you make such a mess?
Myself up to deal with the sadness, the loss of interest, lack of energy.
Ask your doctor about it.
Haley, I'm talking to you, huh? Ooh, and you got a piece of, let me see your hand. Now you got a piece of banana on your hand, too. Yum. Are you squishing it? Huh? Bye bye.